In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Microsoft OneNote. If you've ever wanted a simple checklist you can quickly tick off as you work, OneNote makes it easy. Start by opening OneNote and navigating to the page where you want your list to live. This could be an existing page you're already using for notes, or a new blank page. Placing your list on the right page helps keep everything organized and easy to find later. Click into the page and place your cursor where you want the list to begin. Next, look up to the ribbon at the top and select the Home tab. Within the Home tab, find the To Do tag button. It looks like a small checkbox. Click it once, and OneNote will insert a checkbox right where your cursor is. Type your first task next to that new checkbox. Keep the phrasing short and clear so you can scan your list quickly. When you're ready to add the next task, press Enter. OneNote automatically adds another line with a fresh checkbox, so you can keep typing items one after another without extra clicks. Continue this rhythm, type, then press Enter, to build out your entire list. When you've reached the end and don't want any more checkboxes, press Enter twice. That tells OneNote to stop creating new checkbox lines and return you to normal typing. If you ever accidentally add an extra checkbox, just hit Backspace or Undo to remove it. And here's a handy shortcut for Windows. Pressing Ctrl+1 instantly inserts a To-Do checkbox at your cursor, so you can tag tasks even faster without leaving the keyboard. Once your list is set, marking tasks complete is as simple as clicking the checkbox next to the item. OneNote will place a checkmark inside the box, giving you a clear visual that the task is done. This is great for tracking progress during the day and gives you a satisfying sense of momentum as you move through your work. If you add more tasks later, just place your cursor where you want the new item, apply the To-Do tag again, and keep going. And if a line isn't getting a checkbox when you press Enter, make sure your cursor is at the end of a tagged line so OneNote knows to continue the checklist format. That's all there is to it. You've created a clean, simple to-do list in OneNote that you can check off as you go. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next one.